Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can share your folders on Dropbox with your contacts so that your contacts may edit, not only view, but also edit the shared folder. So let us show you really quickly how to do that. Head over to dropbox.com, log into your account. And here on your home screen, guys, I would recommend to head over to all files section so that you may get a nice overview of all the files and folders you have currently stored here on Dropbox. So what you want to do is pick the folder you'd like to share. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will go with that one here. So hover your mouse over it, and here to the right, we'll see a share button. So click on share. After that, click on that gear icon here in the bottom right corner to access the settings of the shared folder. And after that, switch from folder settings to that option here, link for editing. And below, you will be given the opportunity to create a shareable link here so that you may share that link with your contacts via direct messaging services, for instance, or emails or social media posts, and so that your invited contacts may gain access to the given folder, not only to view it, but also to edit it. As you can see, people with this link can edit. So let me do that really quickly. Let Dropbox create the given link, and after a moment it will be created so that you may copy it and send it to your contacts so that they may be given access to the shared folder. Also guys, if you like, you may also, for instance, delete the link if you accidentally shared the link with unwanted contacts. So let me do that really quickly for the sake of this tutorial. Click on delete here, and that's basically it. That's how I do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.